Hey, so you want to start selling online? Gumroad is one of the easiest ways to do it. Before selling anything, you'll need an account. Let me show you step by step how to create one. First, go to gumroad.com and click Start Selling or Sign Up. You can sign up using your email or connect with Google. Using Google is faster, but email works just fine too. If you choose email, enter your name, email address, and create a password. Make sure your password is strong enough. Next, Gumroad will send you a verification email. Open it and click the link to confirm your account. Once verified, log in and set up your profile. Add a profile picture, bio, and links if needed. This helps buyers know who you are. Before you can sell, add your payout details. Connect your bank or PayPal account so you can receive payments. And that's it. Your Gumroad account is ready. Now you can start adding products and selling. So yeah, that's how to create a Gumroad account from scratch. Simple, fast, and ready for selling. If this helped, check out more guides for selling online.